Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe to find the best tasting, most exotic drinks wherever they may happen to live. Today, they just so happen to be living in San Diego, California. And we are at the Coyote, the world famous Coyote bar here in Carlsbad Village Square. Now, today, my man Johnny here is going to make us a shredder. We are going to shred. Johnny, why don't you shred away?
Alright, let's do this. So I'm going to start with our own house-made jalapeno infused tequila.
Homemade, love it.
Yeah. So we'll start 2 ounces into the tin.
PourMan likes a strong drink. More booze is good. Just know that, Johnny.
Got it. Little dash of agave.
But that's good.
Alright. Then we're going to take some chopped jalapenos up right here. Solid scoop into the tin.
That's a lot of jalapeno.
Yeah. Some mint.
Cool.
Pinch of it. Then we're going to come over here, some limes.
And notice how he didn't cut any fingers off. He still has all his fingers, so Johnny must be good at this. Fresh squeezed lime juice.
It's about a half a lime.
Cool, cool.
Come over here. Shake it up.
Nice shake. Gun show, baby.
You want to shake it up good. Get all the mint chopped up pretty good. And here we go. There we have it. The shredder.
That's it? It's shred.
It's shred.
Well, let's just shred away, shall we? We have the shredder at the Coyote, right here in San Diego, California. Shred away. Oh, that is good. The problem is, you drink one of these, it's so hot, you're gonna have to drink like 4 or 5, but that's okay. PourMan likes that. To get the ingredients and the recipe, go to PourManMike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every PourMan episode, and some other cool stuff as we go along the way. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.